Let's check on everything that comes with Realme 16 Pro. So first of all, we'll need to open it. The box, it's protected by those two stickers, and I'm gonna just cut it with my knife. Then when the box is cut open, we can simply pull it open. Inside, first thing you will see is this box. Inside of that box you'll be able to find a case. So this device does come with the silicone flexible case. Also there's instructions and cable. The cable is USB to USB-C. And lastly we have our phone right here in the wrapper. We can grab it and open it. So I got the blue version, and as you can see it looks like that. And then we can pay attention to the screen. So as you can see there's actual screen protection pre-installed, which also confirms that this device comes with the screen protection. It doesn't come with the charger. If you want to get charger, I can let you know which one. It should be 5 to 45 watts. So if you want to get one, get the 4 to 45 watts charger. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.